Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to check out 3 best affordable Nikon DSLR camera. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 3. Nikon D500 DSLR camera. The Nikon D500 digital SLR camera body is ready to go, wherever your passion leads you, capturing everything with stunning clarity, speed and resolution. From busy, low-light cityscapes to thrilling wildlife scenes and fast action shots, the D500 is the ideal companion to your wanderlust. Marvel at the clarity of its cinematic 4K UHD video. Be amazed at its ruggedness and versatility. And, once you've captured your gorgeous photos, admire them on the D500's high-resolution tilt touchscreen display and share them via the built-in SnapBridge Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth capabilities. No matter what you shoot, you can be sure that the D500 will be up to the task, time and time again. Features: your favorite travel companion, the sleek and beautiful D500 goes anywhere you go, bringing along stunning resolution and performance. 20.9 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor. Xpeed 5 image processor. Monitor size 3.2 inches diagonal. Multicam 20K 153.f system. 10 frame per second. Shooting for up to 200 frames. Number 2. Nikon D750 DSLR camera. The D750 has a feature set unlike full-frame DSLR's its size. It uses the same autofocus and metering technology as the D4S and the D810, Nikon's powerful 51-point-f system with 15 cross-type sensors and 3D color matrix metering 3 with a 91,000-pixel RGB sensor. It's fast and responsive, shoots 6.5 fps at full resolution. And it's endlessly versatile. Shoot stills in multiple formats, video with enhanced definition, smooth time-lapse sequences up to 9,999 shots in camera and more, all with stunning sharpness and rich tonality. Open new compositional possibilities with its 3.2-inch 1,229K tilting vari-angle LCD display, or use a compatible smartphone or tablet as a remote monitor for live view shooting. Number 1. Nikon D850 DSLR camera. Extreme resolution meets extreme speed. When Nikon introduced the D800 and D800E, it set a new benchmark for DSLR image quality and super high-resolution photography that approached medium format. Now, 5 years later, Nikon proudly introduces the next evolution in high-resolution DSLRs. A camera that allows photographers to capture fast action in 45.7 megapixels of brilliant resolution. With remarkable advancements across the board, sensor design, autofocus, dynamic range, sensitivity, speed light control, battery life, shutter and mirror drive mechanisms, silent photography in live view mode, focus shift capability and more. This is quite possibly the most impressive, well-rounded DSLR yet. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comment section. Please like the video, and subscribe our channel, for watching more videos.